Hello sewers and welcome. I'm Debbie from Sew Simple Bags and I would like to introduce you to the Bampton Drawstring Bag pattern. This is the ideal pattern for beginners or for young sewers if you're helping a kid to learn to sew, or if indeed you've taken a break from sewing for a long time and you're wanting to get back into it. These pretty drawstring bags are so easy, and in this video I will show you every step of the way how you can sew them from beginning to finish. There are 3 different sizes of pattern within this same pattern, and the sewing is the same for all of them. You have the itty bitty small version of the bag, super cute, ideal for things like jewellery, and as you can see it opens up nice and wide and open at the top and then cinches up, super small and cute for your small items. This is our medium bag. Maybe this one would work for small craft supplies, any loose odds and ends and bits and pieces, or even maybe for a cosmetics bag. And again, this one opens up nice and wide. And then we have our large version. This one is great as a project bag, again for any loose bits and pieces. Maybe you can sew it for kids and they can sew their toys. And again, this one opens up super large, so you've got plenty of space in there to store everything that you want to keep. The video class is fully comprehensive. It takes you through everything from downloading and printing your pattern through to assembling, cutting your fabric, interfacing, and of course all of the sewing. The pattern is free to download, and I'm also delighted to offer this video tutorial or video sew along for free as well. So join me now and let's start sewing the Bampton Drawstring Bag.